Hi, I'm Brendan Orr, Executive Chef at 915.5 at 915 Duval Street. The food we do here at 915 and Point 5 is very locally driven, all local fresh seafood. We get it from Stock Island every day. So we do whole snapper, we do grouper, we do just an incredible array of seafood. It's really quite easy to be a chef down here because the product is so beautiful. Even though it is two different restaurants in the same building, the focus is the same, fresh seafood. Upstairs is a little more tapas driven than downstairs, and it gets a little hip. We have DJs on the weekend, so it goes a little later night, lots of locals, industry friendly. One of the things we do here at 915 and Point 5 is we make all our own fresh pasta in-house every day, and it's a labor of love, really. We take a lot of pride in that, and they're very popular and absolutely delicious. I've got some incredible teams in place, very, very talented people, and I'm very fortunate to have the guys that I have in town. They're just amazing. Couldn't be luckier. We do wine dinners upstairs at Point 5. We get together with the wine rep and they choose an amazing selection of wines, and I build the menu around that. It really gives us an opportunity to really go completely off the charts and do stuff that we wouldn't normally do and really experiment and play. We're constantly progressing, always changing, and that really gives me a sort of sense of professional pride that we can do those things here and keep it interesting and keep people happy. My name is Brendan Orr, Executive Chef at 915.5, 915 Duval. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you being in Key West. Come by and see us.